Welcome to Armatile, Dublin. Armatile is an inspirational experience showcasing the latest in tile design. We display thousands of floor and wall surfaces for your residential project. We specialise in design and creation of truly innovative products. Come visit our state-of-the-art showroom in Baldoyle today.
Welcome to our design studio, where we meet clients, architects and designers to discuss their current projects and specifications. Welcome to our factory.
Ideal for specifiers, architects and designers to view many bespoke items and external landscaping options.
From waterjet cutting to our hand assembly team, we can create custom items tailored to your project needs.